Good afternoon, guys. It's early stream hype. So I'm guessing you guys are watching me on Facebook. I cannot even find my own stream on Facebook, and I have to edit something there. Part of this startup screen, folks. Knoxbot connected to Facebook. I'll be right there, guys. It's like not listed. I'm looking at my page, it's not there. I'm not live on my page at Facebook. You guys are watching on Facebook? If someone's watching on Facebook, tell me in the chat, because I can read chat. It's amazing. Usually there's a slight delay. It's not there. I don't want to stream without my game tag. Why? This one, this is it. Well, there it is. It's just not on my page. That's hilarious. Facebook getting wonky, folks. Oh, am I logged into Facebook as Charlie Sardo? Is that my problem? Dude, it won't show my freaking live on Facebook. This is so annoying. I'll be there in a second, guys. I'll shut the damn thing up if I have to. Hey, Jason Stafford, what's up, guys? Welcome. I'll be here in a second. We got the Godskin Duo. Trey's watching on Facebook. Dude, okay. Okay, I'll be here in a second. I should be silent through all this, guys. The whole point of this was to do the behind-the-scenes footage without you guys having to see it. But you guys know me, man. You guys know me. I'm too transparent. If I'm having a hell of a time, I freaking whine about it. Dude, it's not listing my... Hey, does it say it? Did it say? Was it tagged? Did it say Charlie Sardo's playing Elden Ring? That's my question. It says that. Then I'll be good. Coming, guys, because my patience is running out, so I'm coming. I'm gonna be there in a minute. Why doesn't it show my freaking stream on my page? My live stream is not there. Someone said that yesterday too. back to chat to see what you guys say. What's up, everyone? Jay Williams at Facebook. Yes, what? Yes, it says that. Yes, it did. Then we're good. I love you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are not supposed to have to do this. Okay, then we are good. I've got chat there. I got OBS here. And I'm going to bring up one more Facebook chat. For the love of my life. Shit, again. I should be dead silent here. I'm gonna freaking mute my mic, guys. Next time I will mute the mic. I really will. I'm a little bit crazy like that. Ooh, we're set, guys. Now the transition. If you guys noticed last time, that when the music comes, when I changed to this scene, the music would go off, right? And it was a bad transition. So now I got the music. I'm leaving the music for now. As soon as we start playing, I'll shut the freaking music up. Hey guys, you only check. Got you, man. Got you guys. We're in, man. Welcome. If you guys didn't stay till the end last night, I had Godskin Duo, like, I was there on the second attempt. I'm like, this is it. There was some RNG. The first attempt was horrible. Second attempt was so good. I'm like, I have to do this. And I failed. I was beside myself more than I've been beside myself ever. And I shouldn't be. But I was. V fell asleep. V, you were laying down. You know, take us to bed. I've always liked the music on low in the background. That's me, though. Right. Well, the thing is, I've got the game music on. And when... I'm going to kill it now that the song just changed. When we start the Godskin Duo, there's going to be exciting music, folks, here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Now, here's one plan. Guys, I've been giving this so much thought. I think I want to get a better pull. Get a better pull means kill the fools at the beginning. Kill the fools at the beginning means resources. Right? But resources can be spent like this. Now, if I buff up here a little bit, I think I'm gonna just try killing the knight and this other fool. And I'm gonna buff up a little bit with some golden vow. Wait, there we go. Hit the right button, Charlie. And then we're gonna try and kill them with this. It won't cost me any mana. And I do it like this. Yeah, and with the buffs, this should be... One more. Okay, see? Guys, if I can do this... Did that cost me mana? If I can do this and kill these two fools, or I can sneak past the knight, then we have all the time in the world to buff, guys. We can buff outside. This guy does he path to the door? Is Bernal summonable for the duo? I know you aren't going to use him. Just curious, Trey. We're going to find out. Does that knight, does he path all the way to the door? I did so much work with Bernal. Yes, he is available. He is available. Does that knight path all the way down here, guys? Guys, that's my move. I already improved because we can buff out here. And that means I can run in and get a moon off. You did good. Catherine was here. Catherine saw it, man. I wanted that so bad. Okay. Oh, you know one thing? Okay, I'm going to give this a try. Oh, Trey, let's talk about trinkets. Let's talk trinkets for the Godskin Duo. I'm going to be getting moons off when I can and using my ice crag. Okay? I'm using sorceries, potency of sorceries, non-physical damage, potency of sorceries, and physical damage. You see my trinks? Let me see if I can take this. Not you. Move this up just a hair. Right to there. So yeah. Brian Manley is on YouTube. Hey, Brandon Manley. Brandon, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Checking out the YouTube. Be sure and drop me a sub, follow, all that stuff on all the platforms, folks. And then my physic is charged attack power. I'm not using that. I'm not using it. We did, but damn the damage tray. The damn. Because I would, to use that, I mean, I guess, maybe, you know what? Okay. You know what? Let's take off non-physical, because that should be mainly the black flame damage. And the black flame damage, I'm supposed to dodge. But there's two fools. Magic Scorpion Man. Okay, now, maybe now I can Golden Vow out here, run in, bust a Magicka, and then a Moon. And then freaking almost kill one of them. And magic damage instead of charged attacks. Magic damage. Okay, well, charge attacks is gone. Yeah. Yeah. So I think I've got what you're recommending. Oh, yeah. Magic. Oh, there's magic damage. Okay. Let's see if we can sneak past this fool. He's coming. We're going to sneak past this fool, run back to the Grace. I mean, I guess I could kill him, but it's like, you know, I'll start taking hits. I'll start wasting mana. Charlie Bielski, what's up, dude? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Charge, attack, and there's a magic damage physic. Wow. Because if I can get in there, I might be able to, because Fat Boy's going to run at me. I'm going to be casting. They're going to be freaking coming at me like spider monkeys. Where is he? Where is he? Guys, we're going to change his physic. Now, if this doesn't work, he's coming. He's coming. Will he follow me to the ends of the earth, Mal'Ganis? I think Mal'Ganis is not gonna. Oh, I'm gonna rest anyway. I'm so stupid. I'm gonna rest anyway to change the physic. Okay, we'll kill that guy again. He died easy enough. Charlie, Justin Conway, how you doing, man? Welcome. Good to see you guys. Okay, mix wondrous physic. This one. Okay. I'm gonna be doing way more damn. Oh, I'm gonna Rune Arc too, but you know what? I'm not gonna Rune Arc on the first attempt because we almost did it last time. I'm gonna be way more squishier. Say it's real English language, guys. Way more squishier. Okay, let's get to Golden Vow, and I want to get off of my Golden Vow. I'm gonna Golden Vow for this because these guys are so annoying. And I'm gonna try and kill this guy right quick. That cost mana. I blew it. I blew it already. Yep, okay. Takes a second. You got this. Yeah. It's just that I need to not be rushed at the door. You know what I'm saying? I need to not be... Okay, we're going to try this without... That takes mana. Why? These guys are so annoying. See, that's a whole health pot. I can't even kill this guy. These guys are actually very annoying. I just want to get to where this guy's not wasting a ton of resources. I had it the first time, guys. No vow. And all I gotta do is freaking run. All I gotta do is dodge at the right. I wish I had a spell to just freaking make this guy go away. Isn't it crazy? A trash mob could be annoying. It's like, I don't want to spend mana and malarkey on the trash mob. It's part of the pull. Just accept it as part of the pull. I should have golden bowed. Let's get a little more aggressive. Okay, there we go. It's not a hard game, guys. It's not a hard game. Now we just got to run past Poopy Man. And then we have our time to buff. We're going to drink up. Life is going to get real. I knew he was going to go that way. You guys knew it, right? It's okay, man. It's okay, guys. Yo, yo, yo. Charlie, my brother, much love. Hey, Julio1987 is watching on Kick. How you doing, my friend? Drop me a follow there, sub, whatever it's called on Kick. Do the YouTube watch hours, man. I'm getting them, guys. It's improving. The YouTube is improving more than anything, guys. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. And I may just focus on one thing after this. I'm going to do this for about a month. And then we're going to reassess. It's been kind of fun, though. Way more work, guys. But I freaking love it. I freaking love it. It's very exciting. Growing is very exciting. Okay. Now, should I take the swords off for any reason? I feel like I shouldn't, just in case I need them. But, I don't know. Get off a read message. Okay. So now we're going to drink. We're in a golden bow. I got to switch back to my Lusats, like this, to there, right? Then I'm going to run in. I'm going to go to the left. I'm going to Terra Magica. And I'm going to get a moon off on Fat Boy. He should be first. And then I'm going to start cragging him. And we're going to see if we can get him down. Slick new chat feature here at Charlie Starter Gaming. Bonus for the rewatch of the stream. Nice, Jay. Oh, you wouldn't what? You wouldn't what? What did you... Trey, you wouldn't what? Now... I'm afraid to do something because Trey said I wouldn't, and I'm like, I don't know what he wouldn't. Guys, we got to turn the coffee cam light on while Trey tells me what the hell he's talking about. You're scaring me, Trey. Well, that didn't work. I just gotta not botch this freaking pull. You wouldn't take the swords off. Thank you, Trey. Yeah. See, that, for exactly the reason I said, right? Like, what if I ran out of mana and he's one shot? You know? Yeah. Oh my god, guys, I'm freaking nervous. I don't know why I get nervous, guys. It's because I want every pull to be a masterpiece. You know that? It's really why. I want every pull to be a masterpiece. Breaking news. Breaking news, folks. I got a gig tonight. I'm playing guitar. 9 to 1, guys. 9 to 1. I'm going to be on stage playing guitar. There's a band. They hired me to play guitar. If you didn't know this about me, I'm a professional guitar player, or at least people pay me money to play guitar. And so, yeah, I've got 2 different bands that hire me, and this band's got me tonight, 9 to 1. It's a 4-hour honky-tonk grind, and I'm excited about that. And I got live. I'm so glad I got live. There will be no chest today, guys. Sorry. Okay, back to the game. Here comes the buffing sequence, guys. And then Terra Magica, and I got to scroll. See, I did that wrong. I got to scroll like this, Terra Magica, scroll like this, get the moon on. And I got to be so gentle with the scroll. I'm buffing Golden Bow out here. Sorry. The chat interprets coffee cam sticker 2. Nice. I have a... Oh, wow. That is cool. The stickers work. After Darkers Unite. Jay Williams. Is black... Oh, yeah. We have an option, too, for the black flame protection. I need 5 faith. We have so many freaking points. We can take 5 points out of what we have in faith which is 25. I think it costs 30 points, guys. And that would be one more buff. It's not going to... How long does Faith, the Black Flame Faith protection last? Because that could be huge, too. And I mean, for 5 Faith, we could just go respec, right? Click it here. Even if it just helps me with 1 hit, it's worth clicking, right? Everything adds up. Jay Cook says, no chest. No! Sorry, Jay. Sorry, Jay. Okay. Guys, we're going in. Okay. Flask, go to hell while I'm drinking it. Golden Vow. Switch to my staff and run in Terra Magica. Here we go. Come on. He took away my... He is almost dead. It's gone now. Okay. Reset. Oh no! Gotta target him. What's he doing? Oh, he's back. No! I needed to drink. She's gonna come back. Oh my god, I hate it. I need mana. Popping off. I ran into him there, guys. Popping off. Phase 2! We made phase 2! Freaking did it, guys! I did it! No summons NG+8 Godskin Duo. I freaking did it! First attempt of the day. Woo! Yours and I'm Casey's son. Yo, Charlie, I'm a fan of yours. And I'm Casey's son. That's awesome. Casey is the first person I think of when I see Casey. Let's go, bro. Dude. And that's on Twitch. You're Casey's son. The first Casey I think of, we're not going to go with names, but I will say he's big. You big boy. You should eat vegetable. He's a big boy, and he sings a little bit. When I say a little bit, guys, freaking did it, man. Is that your Casey? Your Casey son, or is it Casey, someone on the stream named Casey, who I'm still not remembering? Do we have any Caseys, guys? Dude, my heart. Dude, I guarantee it did. I had no idea. Dude, I didn't take a lot of damn that time. Well, I took a lot of damn, I guess. Well, not enough to die. Started working on another base in No Man's Sky for chillers. If anyone wants to play, it's the Caro Can base. Bielski, I love that. Shinobi Mushroom. Casey Shelton. Shinobi Mushroom. Love it. Well, dude, son of Oryx 1559. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching on Twitch. Drop me a follow if you like what you see. If you like the first attempt of the day. No summons, NG+8 Godskin Nobles. Now we get to collect our 100%, guys. We still got to kill Bernal. That Magic Scorpion Charm is the best. Yeah, but damn, you take more damn, man. You take more damn. I didn't even have to root. NG+8. First attempt of the day. No summons. Godskin Noble. No Rune Arc. Hey! Okay. Oh my god, dude, my heart. Why is this game getting so... I should be getting chiller, guys. Say it. Chiller. I should be getting more chill, guys. Now, in the no-hit runs, you know, he'll do this. I hate the range on this thing, but it's like if you want... If you want all that damn, yeah, I might have to give up a little bit. The no-hit runs, they kill that one. Oh, God, no. Just run. Dude, I always run this thing, man. Just run for your freaking life. You can go this way, right? Oh! Yeah, no, you got to know the jump. You got to know the jump. It's a little bit more to the right, guys. A little bit more to the right. Do we learn the jump? You guys want to learn the jump? I don't know how many runes we left on the table. Let's learn the jump. Aggie does the jump. If Aggie's doing the jump, here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, we have to do the jump, guys. Taking more damage is good because you're getting better at dodging. Oh, that's the nicest thing anyone said to me. Trey said something so nice to me, too. He said, you're leaning toward being a good melee player, and so I see the swords coming in clutch or something like that, right? Look for it. Look for it. Hey! Screw the runes, folks. We don't need runes. Guys, we made the jump. We made the little Aggie jump, guys. Guys, you got to watch other streamers to get better at the game. I learned so much from watching other streamers, guys. Okay, now I got to, like, don't die. You guys want to kill the knight? Let's kill the knight because we have it's a pretty easy bailout, right, guys? It's a pretty easy bailout because of the fact that we can jump off the railing. You know what I'm saying? So let's buff up and kill this fool. Catherine McKay with the 145 first stars of the day. Catherine, thank you so much. What? WTF, man. Well, we got a Grace around the corner. We got plenty of health pots, so I'm not too mad. Okay. I'm going to moon this fool. Ian Matza. Dude. Guys, I'm telling you guys, man. I'm a gamer. I'm a performer. I have been stressing about the Godskin duo. Why do I worry? Just freaking go kill him. Ah! That dude scared the crap out of me. Is there a mob right here or something? How come we've never gone up here before? Whoa. I have gone up here before. I have gone up there before. Now I know what's up there. There's an elevator and like a stone sword key, right? He's not going to bother me if I don't bother him. Oh, I was worried about the Godskin duo, guys. I was freaking a little bit scared, man. I was like being a little bit of a baby. Okay, same buffing sequence as before. We're going to treat this like... And this can be way harder. If we got to make the run, we get to make the jump again, right, guys? Okay, same buffing sequence as before. I'm going to put this here so I get some shots off. And then I'm going to go here. I'm going to put the moon on this fool. Coming to my Magicka. Coming to my Terra Magica. I got to drink mana. It's going to suck. These will get him with the shield, guys, because I'm into Magicka. Hey! That's always a test for me, guys. It's always a test. Sometimes I say, no, not doing it. Sometimes I say, not doing it. Today, we did it. It was easy. It was easy peasy. 100% platinum trophy coming. Guys, my 100% platinum trophy. We have 1,000, over 1,000. I bet it's got to be 1,100 hours now, right, guys? It's got to be 1,100 hours. And I don't have my platinum on Steam for this game because I never pursued it. Once I realized there was even an achievement there, because, guys, I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. Then what I did was I started to achieve it. This is not going to have long enough range. So do we just run, guys? I don't. Yeah. We can flask up for the run because we get a little bit of damn negation, and it doesn't matter. I could actually have just freaking gave myself a bubble right there. Did I rest at that grace? Is that a pretty pansy move, guys? To take the bubble for the run? To take the bubble? You guys see what I'm saying? Just pansy up, take the bubble for the run, and we're just... Guys, I'm not going to kill any birds. We're going to run from here behind the dragon. Mixed Wondrous Physic. Let's go for a baby girl Physic. We got both the damage negation physics on. Equipment. We are going to take off the thing that hurts me, and we're going to put on a Pearl Drake, folks. Is that lightning damage from that fool? From the lightning? It looks like lightning to me. And guys, I'm getting solid for the run, guys. The run sucks. The birds, maybe the physical will help me with the birds, right? There was one more thing I wanted. Oh yeah, I wanted the huge Pearl Drake. There we go. Okay, guys, there we go. Now we're just gonna run the whole freaking way. We're gonna drink up. 1,100 hours of grinding, man. Cameron Ayers, what's up, my brother? Now watch the bubble break like off the first bird. Don't be negative. Go! That'd be great if... Oh, I was going to say that'd be great if we do it no hit. Guys, bubble saved us right there. Get some stamp. Okay. Oh, I got to get health up. Just in case. I find it's time to run. He's going to put lightning in my way. He didn't do it. Should I have done that? Oh! 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 The birds! Get behind him. Get behind him and everything gets better. Stay out of lightning poopies. Guys, tell me that damn negation probably didn't help, guys. Tell me it probably didn't help. It helped. And we'll use it just to get to the next run, to get to the grace. Because if I die between here and the next grace, gotta make the running. The freaking bird run. Dude, that's why there's a bird skip. What a hero landing that was. Oh, man. The bot is up, guys. The bot is up. Oh, my God. I think I'm getting old and the coffee is affecting me, guys. I'm getting old and the coffee is affecting me. Oh, wait. Definitely top off for this, right, guys? Definitely top off. What a hero. 1,100 hours to give me. Yeah, I'll have to check that. You know, because, I mean, I guess it's kind of a stupid flex, right? It's like, I ain't trying to be that goofy. That's my jump button. Okay, he did nothing. This guy have to roll. Oh, he got me. We're going to drink because this guy up here hits. Sometimes this guy will hit me, guys. I feel like I always roll too soon on this guy. Is that it? There's no way! There... Are you effing serious? Well, we already got our clothes on for the bird run. Jeez Louise with the freak... Dude, do you know how many times that guy kills me? This is like my 19th time running past that guy. Once? Twice? What was that? Trey gives me the 15 stars to make me feel a little bit better about that horrible thing. Dude, yeah, I'm squishy, man. I'm squishy, and that was what taking off my malarkey. Oh, we can golden vow, too. It's so cheesy, guys. But we should golden vow. I mean, right? We should golden vow, guys. If we use the right hand. Alright, let's go. Second verse, same as the first. This game can get you broken-hearted, folks. You gotta be a man. I usually stay up top. I don't know why I changed my route there. Get a little bit of poopies for the once we drop. More birds. A little bit of poopies for the birds. And let the lightning chill. Let me up. Don't block me with lightning, poopy bird. Last time he shot fire instant, guys. Did you guys remember that? Why must I try and loot everything, guys? Get to the safe spot. Guys, no hit. No hit. Go away. Get back to work, folks. Get back. I'm not taking that loot. We're going to stay focused on the prize. The bird run, guys. No hit bird run. Let's do a no hit this time all the way. But now with the bubble, if the bubble lasts 3 minutes on the bubble, right? You have the golden vow. I golden vowed this time, son. Thank you. I don't have the ash. I have golden vow, the spell. It's like he looks like he's not doing anything. This guy here could be He's going to throw poopies at me and I can't see it. Okay. We grabbed our runes, guys, like a good Souls player. The no-hit bird run, guys, coming in from Charlie Sardo Gaming. Hey! All right, guys. First one. Wait. Okay. Dude, we still have a bubble. Beside the Great Bridge. No-hit bird run. Big deal. But still, I feel like I just accomplished something. Now we can put all our manly clothes back on for Bernal. We need to talk, guys, hard talk with Charlie Sardo Gaming about Bernal. Here's the story. Last playthrough I screwed up and couldn't get Bernal's weapon. This playthrough, I got the invitation. We did everything right. He better freaking attack me. Okay, I'm a caster. They always dodge everything. It's going to be tricky. Ice Storm? We talking Ice Storm? What are we looking at here? We're going to go for Big Dam. We're going to put all our sorcery trinkets back on. And the magic physic. We're going to throw everything we have at Bernal. We're going to take him out right now, guys. We're going to take him out right now. Equipment Thorio. We don't need no pearl. We don't need no stick and pearl Drake, guys. That was just for the run. This one, we don't need no Vastly Lightning. Didn't even get hit, guys. This one is, oh yeah, magic. Magic that makes us take more damage. The bubble just wore off, guys. Look how much time we had on the bubble. That's all good. We're gonna mix the physic with the good stuff. Whoa. Dude, look, wait. Look at the close-up on that hat. Look at the texture. It's got a little bit of fuzz to it. I like that. I like the hat, folks. Sun says, you bow. Yeah. That's a spell I must not know because I don't play as a mage. There is an ash. I believe that, right, guys? Trey, there's an golden vow ash. But I think the golden vow ash, like, it's an ash. You can put it on a weapon. And it's very convenient. But I think it does less damage negation and more damage. Like, maybe Golden Vow does 15, the spell, but the Ash does 10. Something like that. Am I right? Am I right there, Trey? Am I learning the game after 1,000 freaking hours, folks? Mix my wonders physics away. Get that bubble tear off of there, man. What's your freaking problem? You gotta be a real boy. Okay. We got a nice little run over here. Every time I come here again, I always think about Trey and Drew. I do. Because that's where they meet me. That's where we meet, guys. And we get the band back together. I think I want to do a get the band back together run. I mentioned this the other day. And if you guys want to, you guys could start. Should we do new characters or NG+? New characters are so rough, man. But it could be cool. And we could try and do as many summonses as we can, as many bosses together as we can. If I'm streaming and you guys aren't here, I will summon from the floor. If I can't get strangers or from subs, I want to. It's going to be for subscribers, but Trey and Drew are the subs that have PC. Brendan, you know the guy I'm talking about? That guy. He's another one. And then we could and then we'll just do the whole freaking run that way, man. I think that'd be fun. The only thing is, like I say, you guys kind of know my schedule. I'll join just by Elden Ring for stream. Catherine McKay, nice. Are you on PC? We're not gonna be scared. We're just gonna go down. The grace is right there. We only have 29,000 runes. Now, I think for him to come, I have to go far. Yeah, PC? Good, yeah, because it has to be PC. Nice. You have PC and PS5. Ooh, awesome. That's cool, Catherine. Well, as a subscriber, you could totally be part of this. We could summon you in for, you know, maybe we'll start, maybe I'll start a new class, guys. We'll do something from the bottom up for the next playthrough, because it's a coming, guys. The DLC is a coming. I don't know. My buff's gonna go away when he comes. You know what I'm saying? What do you do? I can't, like, drinking now won't help, right, guys? I'm gonna do it anyway, because it doesn't matter. And my golden vow, because it doesn't matter. And I'm going to try and get a full moon off on this fool, because it seems to hit him. Well, okay, I botched the pole, but how many times have we that could have been a moon right there if I would have got it off. They dodge everything! I'm needing mana. I need mana. I botched that so bad. I botched that. What did I do wrong there? Oh yeah, I didn't trade my weapon, man. I'll join just by Elden Ring for stream. Okay, that's perfect, man. Platinum hype. Yeah, guys. Now, wouldn't it be funny if he doesn't respawn? Did my buffs carry over into that fight, guys? Oh, platinum hype with the 200, man. Thank you, Trey, for the stars. You absolutely love to see it, folks. Did it read it? No, it didn't. It didn't. I have to go back. I have to make a note, because I have to go back into Streamlabs and Streamlabs read stars. Yeah, dude. Something got reset on that. Something got reset on that. Because I love it when it reads them, because I don't have to. Trey going crazy with the stars. The stars hype is real, man. Thank you for the stars, Trey. I appreciate it. And all the support. Okay. So is my flask carrying over, guys? It didn't read it. I read it. I read it, Trey. Okay, now we know where he spawns. Second verse, same as the first. Oh, come on. This is why I like to do it. It's easier for me to take my hands off the freaking keyboard, guys. Golden Vow. I'm going to Golden Vow even if I don't know if it works. Okay, and I'm going to hit it with the wrong button. We're going to get our moon up. I don't think Terra Magic is going to help us right now, guys. 1-1. I'm going to drink mana while I can. Give me my freaking 100%. Yay! Okay, this is it, guys. Legendary armaments, all legendary armaments acquired. Elden Ring, obtain all achievements. Hey! Now all we have to do is solo Malekith. Dude, I'm not gonna let Malekith ruin this moment. Not gonna let him ruin this moment. I have a question. This Blasphemous Claw. Talk to me about the Blasphemous Claw, guys. Devourer's Scepter, guys. We got it. I just 100%ed the game on Steam. Hey, Trey with the 2,000 stars. Platinum hype. Trey, thank you. Trey is going nuts with the platinum hype. Trey, thank you, man. Thank you for the stars. Guys, I'm a real boy. I don't need that loot, guys. I've looted a million times. We only have 45,000 rooms. You guys want to just run in the room and bust an ice storm? Just bust the storm. Just bust the storm. It didn't work. Got me. You shot me. Dude, the stars are going nuts. What are you guys doing? Dude, the Moonblade's a little sweeper, folks. Jay Cook with the 50 and the 50. And Sanji with the 100. You guys, man, the stars hype is real on a Friday afternoon here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Should have saved mine for the party. That's okay. Oh my God, stars. Activated stars party. You guys are at 9%. If you guys complete the stars party, you may or may not see pretty colors. But the important thing to remember, Catherine McKay with the 145, the important thing to remember, folks! Here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, we are not wacky. Not wacky, folks. Oh, man. That was freaking sick. Dude, we got Bernal. I'm so happy. I don't even need this. I have 10 of them, guys. The Old Lord's Talisman. Dude. Only platinum once, folks. That's so true. Thank you guys, man. You guys are crazy with the stars. Thank you guys so much for activating a stars party. It tells me your viewers have activated a stars party. Encourage them to complete the stars party. And then, traditionally, what I'd say is, you can do it. You can do it. But I'll tell you guys right now, everything you guys do, I love it and I appreciate it. Okay. Moving forward, folks. Sanji with the 100, man. Thank you. Pull this back up so I know I got the full. Wait, where is it? Oh my God. Sanji's dropping hundreds, man, like they're going out of style. 17% completed, folks. Regardless of whatever happens at the stars party, I just want you guys to know I freaking love you. Thank you. We're gonna treat this fool like a boss. We're gonna. I should have just ported, guys, but guys, I just got my platinum, guys. I feel so good right now. You only platinum once, folks. Oh man. So I'm gonna go. We're gonna do this the old-fashioned way. We're gonna rest at the grace. The stupid Facebook trying to like comments, and it will take me to their profile. Like I just want to like it. Caleb, yeah, I don't know. Sorry about that, man. I don't know. We were here for the platinum. You were, Jay. You guys were here for the freaking first attempt Godskin duo. No summon, no rune arc. Where is he? Oh, there. I see him. We're going to treat him like a boss. We're going to give him the entire treatment, folks. The entire treatment. Get off of the Moonblade. Dude, I want less. See, I'm so used to pushing the left button, guys. Why would it? Oh, because I don't have the that on. And I'm trying to think if I've ever killed this guy as a caster, guys. I did it wrong, I know. I getting him? Did I? Squishy. It's okay. That's okay. It was bad pull. It was bad pull. Maybe, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wait till he goes back toward the door, and I'm going to set up, and I'm going to Terra Magica. Right? And I think a few of those first whacks were not even hitting, but that's okay. I don't usually kill this fool. We got 21 seconds on the stars party, and I'm going to thank you guys now. Thank you guys for all the stars. Sanji, Catherine, Jay, Trey. If I miss anyone, I'm sorry. I think I got them all. Thank you guys. Oh, and by the way, guys, I want to thank Caleb Boyd, Cameron Ayers, Will Alvarado, Eddie Bub Skelton, Ian Matza, Dirk Zinn, Jay Cook, Justin Conway, Justin Corshane. Thank you guys for all the likes, man. It really, really, really does help the stream. I ain't even freaking kidding, guys. We're going full. I'm gonna wait until he is walking away, so we can get closer to him. I might even wait till he's pathing back at me. Maybe I shouldn't have drank. Sometimes that happens to me. Working now, though. Don't know why. Okay, cool, man. Now, will he sit there forever because I'm sitting here? I shouldn't have drank. If I can get the moon... Jackery Taylor, how you doing? If I can get the moon and a bunch of these ice crags off before... Like, in the Terra Magica... Could be nasty, folks. Oh, my God. Is he not going to path back up? Does he not path back up, guys? So maybe I should just do this now. Trying something different, guys. He's coming. Not hitting him. Get out of my... Get out of my Terra Magica, bro. I tried to jump it. I didn't know how to do it. There's always 2 or 3. I need mana! I didn't know how to do it, guys. Okay, that was a trade. No! I knew it. I tried to drink. We almost had him. I didn't wait long enough to attack because the Terra Magica wasn't working. I thought he slowly walks down to a certain point and goes back up. I thought so too. Yeah, all those missed shots. That would have been the difference. The Malekith dude was the hardest boss for me. I had so much trouble with him. I remember Jay Cook. Yeah, Malekith's nasty, bro. He's nasty. And doing it solo is going to be... I mean, guys. I didn't think I was going to do any of these bosses solo. Oh, wait. Nope. I'm going to do exactly what I did. I'm going to drink, and I'm going to buff on the run, and I'm going to run up where he's getting closer. I got to maintain my nerve. I got to do Terra Magica and just expect to get those first few shots off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, here we go. Now just calm down. Terra Magica. Get the moon up. Wait a second. Wait a second. He stopped. Here it comes. There's the moon. Terra Magic is nasty, guys. Terra Magic is nasty. The problem is it's so hard to stay in it, man. How long? Let's see what you guys supporting for, man. 26 months. I see 26, 658 days, 582 days. You guys are amazing, man. You guys are amazing. The support is insane. Oh, now we can rest. Because he's dead forever, guys. Dude, Caleb. Right? I knew it could be close. I thought I might have to play Elden Ring. Anytime you can avoid playing Elden Ring while playing Elden Ring, it's best. I highly recommend not playing Elden Ring. Meaning dodging, ducking, dipping, diving, all the Manunus, guys. I don't want Manunus. I don't want Manunus. I want Big Damn. I want Big Damn. Now, I'm not going to be able to get the Terra Magica off in this fight. A lot of physical damage. Oh yeah, let's have a real talk at Charlie Sardo Gaming about this. The claw we just achieved that Bernal gave us, guys. Deflects the power of the Black Blade. Is this when he shoots the... Like, what does this do? What does this do exactly? That deflects the red attacks he shoots. Yeah. But they're not... Doesn't he, after he does the red attacks, he does something that reminds me of, like, the end of, like, a waterfowl, where he comes into you and goes... Does it deflect that? The red things... Yeah, it's something to think about. But it's like, am I going to have time? It's like, he only shoots 2. Yeah, phase 2 Manunu. He only shoots 2. Right? He goes, maybe 3, 1, 2, maybe a delayed one. But then is that when he freaking flies at you like a spider monkey and does a bunch of melee attacks, folks? Guys, I didn't think I was going to make coffee. Maybe. We already made 4 cups, man. Let's talk trinkets, too. Are we going in squishy, guys? What do you guys think for Malekith? Is there a trinket that is like the best trinket, guys? Okay. Oh, and should I click this? Do I have the debuff? If I am in possession of the Radiant Bald Chin Blessing, should I click on it and make it go away? I'm not sure, guys. I think he's hard as hell. Might take a few... Caleb. Yeah. Okay, so no one has any opinions. No one has opinions on trinkets. Oh, okay, we have Twitch. Sun says, no, the Elden Beast, man. God, it took me 3.5 days to complete. God, I was crying. I beat him. I kept telling myself that this will be the one, but I eventually did it. That's what's so great about this game, son. Remove that. Yeah. Remove what? Yeah. I don't have... If you're talking about the Beast Claw thing, I don't have it equipped. Tell me this. Will Malekith be better served with the melee. Malekith better served up melee, guys. This is the question. Because wow, I can't imagine getting in on that fool. I would leave. You would leave the trinkets as they are and just get in there and get down, get funky, get live. Do you recommend all three? Maybe holy instead of physical. It's but like the first phase is going to be physical. Second phase is going to be holy. Am I right? When he does the rocks and stuff, is that physical? I think it is. I think it is. I'm getting nervous again, folks. Why am I so nervous? Golden Vow will be gone. There's going to be a cutscene. I hate cutscenes. First attempts. I guess we'll be better off. Right now, we'll leave it at physical to get to phase 2. Then if I keep having problems with phase 2, we'll switch to holy because maybe then I'm warmed up for phase 1. Yeah, Sun says I usually get all my spells and incantations in before the fight. Yeah, I will too. The thing is, like I say, Golden Vow is going to be gone by phase 2. Yeah, no, I know what you're. No, I know what you mean. You're bad. Yeah, don't even worry about it. Mo Chaotic with the like, Sarah Margaret with the like, Sanjay Bin Smoke with the 100 stars. Thank you guys for all those stars. And thank you guys for the likes. It really helps the stream. And if you're following me, if you're watching me on any platform, guys, definitely want to drop me a follow because we are going to be doing all Elden Ring downloadable content. And I just soloed the Godskin Duos. Okay. Just get in. Just get in. What am I thinking about, guys? What am I thinking about? I'm not going to have time for Terra Magica, I don't think, guys. I don't think I have time for this either. Not on the cutscene one. I'm going to try, though.
Thou who approacheth destined death.
Why?
Not have it stolen.
Did I hit him? I did. I got greedy with another moon, guys. Should I have done that? He can shoot the ground through the freaking things, huh? Right leg. Right leg. Oh my god, I don't have my freaking... Why won't it let me freaking change my weapon? I never put my staff on. Just a bad pull, guys. It's okay. Just a bad pull. He gave me so much time. I'm like, well, I'll Terra Magica now. But now, we're going to see when I walk in now, he's going to bum rush me, guys. There's going to be no time for it. There's going to be no time for it. Do you guys agree? No time Terra Magica? Maybe Golden Vow. Let's see. Guys, I didn't put my freaking staff back on, man. I'm like, why? It would have made a difference. I mean, it would have made a little difference, for sure. Wrong weapon. Wow, that hurt. Ow. Yeah, let's see if we can drink up. I wasted one. He's over here still being angry. Why are you saying it? I don't know why you gotta be angry all the time. Okay, maybe not two. Maybe just hit him with one. Maybe just hit him with one. How do you beat those? I don't know. I panic rolled, but then I good rolled. Dude! That was too early? That was too early. This is gonna be crazy, guys. Bro, I'm a samurai and I beat this with only one death poker, man. It was crazy with Golden Vow, something like Shinobu Scream, maybe. I can't remember. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. I soloed him once with the big bonk build, and I'll tell you this. It was one of the easiest Malekiths I ever had. It was. It was. This is going to take some getting good, guys. Any recommendations? I am open, guys. I am open. I'm going to try and get a Terra Magic off. Well, like I still don't know how to dodge those. Those white lines, I always try to be in between them. Can you see them before they pop? That's the idea. But can you see them before they pop? I feel like he's got a big piece of ground. So I guess maybe when he does that, maybe try and run away and watch. Is that a technique? I think for one thing, okay, first off, yeah. So now we know the Terra Magica is not happening. The Renalis Full Moon is barely happening, but it's happening. Okay. Like, before the lines start coming, is there a sign? This is my question. You can place Terra Magica as close. Oh, close to the door. You're right. You're right. I forgot about it. We're gonna re-golden. Taking a lot of time. Sorry, guys. I might regret that later. I ate one to do some damn, guys. I'm just so squishy. I literally have to, like, I can get a moon off, guys. I can get a moon off barely. I don't even know if I want a moon. Buff, yeah. Buff and place Terra and then moon as soon as you enter the door. That's what I did, Trey. That's what I did, and then I ended up getting a little bit greedy, but I wanted to see the dam. And it did some dam, but it wasn't a lot. Are these guys weak to the frost, man? Am I getting any frost procs? I don't think I've hit anyone enough times to do that yet. Even if it's possible. Am I right? Or am I right? Or am I right? Yeah, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to shoot 2 Malarkeys, and then I'm going to dodge toward it. Oh, come on. There's no time for this. Okay. I only need 2. He's blocking me. So okay, same thing in 1. Now he changes at 50% though, right? He changes at 50%. Or is it 40%? This fight reminds me of, is it Godfrey that turns into Honolulu? Because just when you freaking think you beat the hardest boss in the game, or one of them. I think that guy is so hard. One of the hardest. He's freaking hard. He never stops. Then you get Horlu. And Horlu is so rough for me to get attacks off on. I suck at Horlu. So it's like, I get through a really hard phase 1, and then I get phase 2. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm only going to shoot one Ice Crag. And then we're going to run forward and try and roll through. And we are going to be a little bit more efficient on the buffing. It's not very efficient, but hey guys, this is what we got. This is what I got, guys. One hit. I can't even get one off. I can't even get one off. I have to run in. Moon and run. We'll try moon and run. We're gonna moon. Do I have to be standing in the Terraca, for our Magic Terra? Whatever it's freaking called. I should learn its name. Terra Magica. Do I have to stand in Terra Magica while it hits, or only while I cast? Because that will still be something. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I'm perfecting the pull for this build right now, man. Sometimes he instantly runs. Sometimes he's stutter walks. Right, Godfrey, the first Elden Lord. Yeah, that guy's annoying, man. Yeah, same with me, though. Just you in the air, and yeah, you gotta dodge the grab. The first grab is the easiest one to dodge. You just run away. It is very, very easy. See, my problem is I can't dodge. My problem is I can't dodge. Like, if I just dodge those attacks... So now I'm going to do this the old way I used to do it. I'm going to run in and get settled. So I'm not stuck on a bridge with my back to the wall. Okay? Perfecting my pull, folks. Perfecting the pull. Yeah. We got this. It's gonna. We're gonna be back in the fight, folks. We're gonna be back in the fight. I have to wait for an attack, dodge it, and then attack. Instead of attacking when he's not attacking. Am I right, guys? Is that the move? Yeah. I don't even want Terra Magica. I don't care about it. And I don't want Full Moon because it's not working. Okay? Now we're playing the game, guys. Now we're playing the game. Like, I missed the first roll, and then everything's over. This is horrible. Like, I almost had in phase 1 when I was doing what? Oh, it's when he didn't bum rush me. It's when he didn't bum rush me, guys. Right? It was when it was in the cutscene. It was the first attempt. This is why that Trey's going to be there to the meetup, man. Guys, we have a real-life meetup coming up March 23rd, 24th in Marble Falls, Texas. Google Marble Falls, Texas. Think about being here March 23rd and 24th. We're going to have 3 different events. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And we're going to be able to meet up in real life. I mean, dude, like, I'm not even getting out of the gate. No, but it's okay. Because now I am getting out of the gate. Now I just have to get the timing on the attacks. You're going to come dressed as a squirrel. Dude, man, I would. Just run. Did I hit him? I did. Too far? Well, there's 2 attacks there, so I didn't expect that. Okay. Good. How's my range? Bad? Is my range bad, guys? I like this spot. Well, I liked it. That was bad. Okay, come on. We got to top off, guys. I want phase 2. We need a moral victory for phase 2. The targeting is so bad in this game. Hey! Can I get some hype for phase 2, man? I feel like the buses are lucked. You know what? Son, there is definitely some RNG involved here. Sometimes you get a good pull. Sometimes you know, things work. Sometimes you might shoot when they're out of range and they walk into it. And that happens 5 times in one fight. Could make a difference. There is a lot of RNG. But there's RNG against you, too. You know what I'm saying? Guys, we're improving. Did you see the use of the poopy? And I think, actually, if I circle the other way, since I'm shooting from my right hand, I might be able to hit him more. So next time we're going to go clockwise, not counterclockwise. Kirkendall, what's up, dude? Man, I got a gig tonight. I'm playing music. I'm excited about that. I'm excited to be here for this. Replying to Caleb Boyd, Trey Harris. Thanks to drive from Iowa to Texas, 13 to 15 hour drive, too short notice. Reply for me, maybe next meetup with the notice. Yeah, I gave everyone as much notice as I could. I told you guys to start looking at this 4 months before the event. Yeah, but everyone just can't make plans and spend money to travel. And dude, I know that. I can't always do that. Okay. Okay. This is where, like, you need the trainer. Do they have a trainer? Cool, man. I'm out of the hospital, so things are getting better. Dude, I want all my chillers, man. I want all my chillers to be okay. So many people have been sick. I would love to go. Maybe next one. Catherine McKay, absolutely. We would love to have you. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Kirkendall's coming. A lot of the Texas people, it's easier for the Texas people, right? Texas is big, though. Some of the Texas people are going to have to drive like 6 hours to get there or something. It's freaking Texas. Texas ain't no joke, folks. Everything's bigger in Texas. Okay, so we have major improvements. Major improvements. I want a full moon so bad, guys. Now I'm getting dude, I have to dodge the first one. He comes up, and I'm already panic rolling. I have to dodge the first one. Dude, that one right there, if you're talking he changes at 50%, that full moon hits him for like 25% or more of his dam. Maybe a bubble instead of the... Because, guys, I'm so squishy it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying, guys? Check this out. What do you guys think about this? So I can get an easier phase 1. I don't remember 4 months, but I'm not blaming it. No, Caleb, it's tough, man. Like I said, it's tough. Just a drone for me to go anywhere is a chore. I get it, man. Yeah, and I really didn't mean it like that. It's just I didn't want people to think that I just sprung this on everyone 2 months ahead of time. I was talking about it forever, and then last year, in November, I said, okay, this is the day. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it was November 20th, I believe, I announced it. November to December, December to January, January to February, February. Yeah, it was 4 months. It was 4 months ahead. It was on the 3-year anniversary. 3-year anniversary of streaming. Yeah, we did. I think we did 12 hours. Okay. Let's get ready for this. Guys, I still want to get a better start. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm trying a little bit different thing here. Oh my god. But that's okay though. We're gonna go bubble, guys. We're gonna go bubble. And I don't need to switch my spell yet. I can't. If I dodge the first one, I'm going to be fine. I just can't dodge the first attack. I can dodge the first attack. I'm not doing it. I sure love watching Charlie kick butt. Elden Ring, Caleb, thank you, man. Guys, can you believe that first attack? Guys, it's same guy, same player. Did you guys see the dodges on? What was the hard boss that I had to really do well on the dodges, man? It was before Fire Jump. That one was a little bit late. I was panic rolling the pendulum, guys. I was panic rolling way too early, and then that time I waited a little bit too long. I need to just wait till he starts doing it and then go, rather than just rolling before anything happens. This is, and I'm not going to do this all day, guys. Like, we might go kill, like, for instance, Placiducts. I think it'd be way easier than this. I don't know. But he's right down the street, guys. Placiducts is right down the street. Hey, well, I dodged one. I still got hit by the first one. I did a panic roll. It's terrible in England. That's more move. Last time my grandma was in the hospital, I would sneak her food in there. That's hilarious, man. Guys, we're going to get coffee because we need it. It might have been Morgott. It might have been Morgott. We got to get coffee, guys. I need to change something. I need to change my biology. Maybe I need sugar, guys. A little bit of sugar. Wow, that's a lot of sugar. By the way, if you're out there lurking, folks, if you're out there lurking, baby, you haven't liked the stream, you haven't followed, you haven't said anything, it's okay. Because this is season of love. It's Valentine's Day, baby, coming up on us. So you can lurk if you want to, but if you want to get involved, say hello. Get with the community. It's the best community in the world. And it's a sexy community for Valentine's Day. This has been the creepiest, one of the creepier. I call the community sexy. Probably shouldn't have done that. Lurker love. All right, folks, you absolutely love to see it. I said I need to write a script, guys. I need to write a script. The Halloween on the chess stream, I'm good at, guys. I got that one down. I got the timing down with the scary music and the baby music. I'm a living proof a person doesn't need sugar. I thought you said coffee wasn't working. You needed sugar like you need energy. Yeah, I don't know for sure, man. I don't know. No. I was kind of throwing it out there like, maybe I just need sugar. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. I'm just like, change something. It's usually something mental. I've seen people, not seen, but I've heard about. They'll be in like a pool match, or like they're racing to 9 games to win for like to win the tournament, and a guy loses like the first 3 games. So he says, I'm gonna take my 5-minute break, and he goes out front, and he starts screaming, and he runs around the block screaming. Comes back. Change something. You know what I'm saying? Jimmy Mattia, Pretty Boy Floyd, pool player. He says, I'll throw a tomato at the guy. Like sometimes you gotta change something. I could rune arc, it would waste it. If I can't dodge an attack, guys. If I don't get better at the dodge attack on this attempt, we're gonna go look at Placidus. Okay, guys? Because this is getting silly. Okay, let's Golden Bow. Terra Magica. Enter. Target. Full Moon. Hit him. Okay, so I want to get him this way. Yes. Okay, that was a bubble. Oh no! It knocked me off. Okay, he didn't bum rush me that time, and the moon didn't hit him. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no, I would never, ever, ever say that people need sugar. Well, actually, the thing is, this is not nutritional advice, folks. This is not nutritional advice, but the fact is, we get sugar. We get sugar. Our body converts other things into sugar. So, but I think, do bodies need sugar? Do humans need sugar? I think you do, right? But, like I say, your body converts things to sugar. And there are some natural sugars. But, yeah. I don't know. The globe at the beginning looked like it was a miss. It was, Caleb. It was. You know why? Because that attempt, like Sun was saying over on Twitch, that sometimes he runs right at you, sometimes he doesn't. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh my God. There's a message. You guys hate that? You guys hate the message? One thing about the moon too, when he does bum rush me, missed. Okay, I want you this way. Okay, fine. Okay, that's cool. Wow. That stab is nasty. Hold her. Good. Okay. Oh, I thought that was a stab. I tried to get between them and I rolled into one. Your body needs sugar to survive. Yeah. Fruit sugar, milk sugar. Yeah, but fruit sugar can kill you just like anything else. Orange juice is like worse than freaking Mountain Dew. Orange juice is like just because there's vitamin C in it, the sugar will absolutely give you the same health problems that that Coke will. It's just too much sugar. So just because it grows out of the ground, I have heard. But this is, again, I should get off the topic. Yeah, you know what? Oh, man. Yeah, no. Let's go look at Placiducks, guys. Let's go look at Placiducks. I think I'll leave all the same. One thing here, too, guys, I am pretty squishy, but the problem there is I'm not getting better. I'm not getting better at the attacks. That's going to be a challenge. But when you get to phase 2, which is good, one time. And usually those fights are so easy because I have a summons. And they're not on me 24/7. You know what I mean? Alright, guys. We're going to run and check out a big fire dragon. Plastic ducks. Let's go. Alright, different than blood sugar, but I'm going to say anymore because I don't want to. Yeah. Got you, Caleb. Got you. Yeah. I appreciate that changing the topic, guys. And I'm sorry because I was involved in the conversation as much or more than anybody. Wow, he almost hit me. Hadn't made this run in the minute, folks. Looking for the magic spot. There's a message there that should help. Is this hit? Got it. Now, what we're looking at here is a moon. I don't know if I can do the moon on the pole, though, guys. Because of lightning. And a fully buffed big dam. Maybe I can do a Terra Magica behind me. See, it's not going to work, man. It's not going to work. This is going to be really hard too, man. Because I'm going to have to stay close to him. I can tell right now, like, Elden Beast, I'd rather fight Elden Beast and Radagon than Malekith. Because Radagon, Frost jacks him up too, right? I know he's weakest to fire, but I think Frost hurts him. And Elden Beast, once I get settled with Elden Beast, it's just like you're just playing a game. He's got to dodge the attacks. And my Dark Moon Greatswords are going to do mass damage on whacking him. Because melee damage is the best way that I've ever freaking dealt with him. So that's going to be fun when we get there. I still got to freaking do this malarkey, guys. I'd say when he sticks his claw under the ground, I'd probably do it. Hit him about 3-4 hits. Then go to the wall. Okay. I plan on being the main catering for the picnic side of things. Probably do a good amount of smoking outside and then grab the rig down there and heat up and serve. Yeah, Kirkendall. Like I said, we'll talk about details. What I need to do is, and I'm going to do this, guys. I think I'm committing tomorrow to this. I'm committing tomorrow to this. Because I'm going to have to sleep in a little bit. I got a gig tonight. I'm going to get home at like 2 in the morning. And then I will... Tomorrow, I've got to acquire the hotel discount. I've got to make either a event page or figure out how to make an event on Charlie Sardo Gaming, which I should be able to. How can a page not make an event? I'll figure it out. And then start promoting it every stream, and then start making posts about it. Everyone's already been hearing about it. People are already looking at it and planning on it. And then get a head count. And then we'll see what we need, to what level we need. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be great. Okay. It's going to be freaking great. This is set back to bubble. I'm not going to care. I'm not going to worry about it. I would rather not have it. I feel like I almost want to... I feel like I almost want to weaponize this fool. I'm going to try it, guys. I'm going to try to melee this guy. I've done it before. done a few times. Or Dewey Daggers, Blood Build, you know, Rivers of Blood, and Big Bunk. Those 3. You're like, Charlie, you can't. And I freaking meleeed Fire Giant, right? I guess. See, now I'm like, see, can I get this off? I'm gonna be too far, guys. Should have just. I knew that was going to hit me. Fire. And he's looking at me. Okay. Does he do a tail swipe? He's a dragon. He does a claw swipe by now. Swipe me, buddy. I want to come in. I want to come in and play. Oh my god, I'm still alive. No, I don't think I could have... Guys, but look at the dam. Look at the dam. This is like so... He's dead. You know what I'm saying? I told you. Placidux is way easier. Way easier. It's going to be awesome. Oh, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be... I said awesome. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be freaking ridiculous. Hey, guys. Poll right now. The chat. The small chat. Can you read it? I know everything, because imagine if I make it bigger, it's going to be more intrusive. Is that even worth having? The chat on screen, the one way over there on the other side. Is that worth having, guys? Or do you have any recommendations? But someone say something about it, because I'm not, because I want to know. I want to know what you guys think. Lois, know what the like. Sean Kirkendall, what the like. Willis Martins, Jacob Hutchins, Chris Williams, Monkey Chaotic. Thank you guys for likes. It really helps the stream. If I zoom in, I guess, but I don't see myself reading it. Right, right. Trey says he can read. Yeah. Glad to see my one sickness of the year out of the way. Weather should be great time when it comes. Dude, I used to never get sick before the big C. But again, I want to change the topic. You don't even look at it. Right. Yeah, sorry guys. I always start talking and I'm like, wait a minute. Don't want to make the new topic. They're already freaking not feeding me to anybody, but you know what? There's nothing I can do, folks. Times they are changing. I probably won't read it much, but I can read it. Love that. Thank you, Trey. That's what I wanted to hear. Alright, good. The parkour is now under control. Did you guys see the dam on that, man? Oh, and I should have changed my physic to the other tier over time. But this dam, the dam on this ash, guys, is strong. I literally think. Well, to be honest, yeah, see, I feel like I should put like a lightning damage negation or something. He does lightning damage, right? I'm just freaking squishy, guys. I'm squishy. But that big dam's gonna go away too if I take away that trinket. I can read it if I watch the stream back. Okay, kind of like it. It's a cool idea. Well, you know what? A lot of streamers I watch do that, because if you're watching on Facebook, you see the Facebook stream chat. If you're watching on Twitch, you can see the Twitch chat. But you can't see them all. But that's all of them. As a matter of fact, what's up, buddy? How's it been going? Oh man, yeah, Devin. See, I just moved my head to see it. Devin Lentz, how you doing, dude? Watching on YouTube, man. Dude, everything good, man. Everything good. We're gaming. I had something was worrying me, which now Malekith is going to worry me when I'm not streaming. I was worried about God's Kendua, man. That's a very, very difficult fight for a lot of people. And I was able to do it on the first attempt today without a summons and a rune arc, man. It was awesome. I feel so good about that because I was worried about it. I definitely think it's cool if you like it, bro. Yeah, cool. I watch mostly on the phone, horizontally. That way I can type and watch at the same time. Yeah, then portrait mode. Yep, Caleb. That I think everyone does that on their phone. Yep. They go back and forth, right? I do that. When I consume content. Okay. Let's get ready for the buffs. There's no Renalis full moon here, guys. And there's no Terra Magica. But there is always a golden bow. It's too small to read on my phone, so it's just clutter, but some obviously like it. Says Jay. Yeah. Very cool. If you're watching vertically on your phone, Jay, it might be really small, but if you turn the phone, you might see it get bigger to where you can read it if you wanted to. But you don't need to. Those are just options. Yeah. Okay. Drink the poopy. Vow the golden. Change the weapon. I should probably two-hand it too. Oh, and I should do this. Dude, I didn't do this before. We might have big dam coming in here, guys. Once you cast the next one, I think I'm gonna hit him once in the front. Oh no, I buffed. That was bad. Huge mistake. No! Okay, swipe me. There goes my buffs. Swipe me! Get out of the fire. Oh, I wasted a health bot, guys. More fire? Come on with the fire, man. Wasting my time. Gotta move out of that poopy. A lot of health pods. Oh, go. Good job. Whoa! Oh my god. Double. Fire again! I saw it coming too! Okay, he trapped me between his leg. I couldn't move. I did it makes him smash the angry face. You got this man first dragon of the playthrough, so it sounds like a good size. Not bigger where it will be into it on more of a screen. Yeah, we'll see. What I need to actually do is go back and watch it. I would like to see, because there's a little bit of translucency to it, right? See how the background, you can still see the game through the background, but not as much. I think you could still read it pretty good if I took that down to nothing, man. But I don't know how to get rid of it. The game provides absolutely awesome dragon battles that abide by the Elden vibes. Well, guys, here's what we have done. Here's what we have completed today. The beginning of the stream was the best, because we cleared the door and we one-shotted the Godskin duo first attempt, which was sick. We also did a no-hit bird run, right? Because we had a bubble proving no-hit bird run all the way to the Grace, beside the Great Bridge. We also then adapted and overcame the Sentinel guy, the Tree Sentinel or whatever you call him, the guard outside of Malekith, and killed him very easily. Actually, once we made a plan, made it work. And we also got Bernal and 100%ed the game on Steam. I have all achievements now on Steam. That was a big day for me. I'm really excited about that. Malekith. Progress. Well, I made second phase once. As Son was saying on Twitch, I feel like sometimes there's random luck with the bosses. I'm like, yeah. There was that lurker love moment. There was a creepy lurker love moment, guys. You can go back and watch if you want to, man. So it sounds like yeah. So next playthrough, I'm already looking at the next playthrough, guys. But I've got to finish this one. And this one is more challenging than my last No Summons playthrough, because Big Bonk was like, I think NG+4 at the time or something. And it was Royal Knights Resolve, you know, go in and hit them for 60% of their damage in the first hit. And then you double whack them with the hammers on the next hit and they die. A lot of bosses died that way. I guess I could try to run in, run behind, Terra Magica, dodge some lightning, and then bam, 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 bam. You know what I mean? Yeah, Caleb. Yeah. You take care, brother. So I'm gonna have to do some thinking on this, on how to kill Malekith, because it's not gonna be easy, guys. Not for me. I'm gonna have to adapt and overcome, guys. And what I'm gonna probably do is I'm probably gonna do it on some longer streams, like in the morning stream when I do like about 4 hours. And I'm just gonna have to we'll put up an attempt counter, and maybe we'll do a percentage. 100%. We'll start at 100%. When I get them to 80%, that'll be my personal best so far. Because if I have a goal like that, and my goal is to beat the percentage of last attempt, it gives me something to focus on. You know what I'm saying? It really does help me, guys. It's weird. Next room would be fun. I'm making egg rolls right now. Nice, man. Trey, I love you guys. Thank you guys for being here, man. I'm going to get ready for my gig. Maybe take a little rest, even though I just drank coffee. That's not going to help for the nap. I don't need a nap, guys. I could go till 2 in the morning. It's going to be, I'm excited to play guitar tonight. Draw me the likes, the subs, the follows, all that stuff across all platforms. I freaking love you guys. I want to thank you guys for being here, and I'm calling it, man.